scares, mommy skeletons knocking doors and having fun. Pumpkin lanterns light the way for the monster spooky play. Trick or treat, give us something sweet.
Hey guys, I'm Jen.
And I'm Chris.
And we're
with Monsters and More.
So today, I have been seeing several videos with the cloud ceiling and lightning, and I have been dying to do this. So we are going to attempt this tonight. So
yeah, and I got forced to help her. So
so I attached at the beginning of this video all of the stuff that you're going to need. So we went ahead and opened up our sheets. The hallway we're doing is just like in an L shape. So he had the idea of just cutting the pillowcase in half.
For the little short end, it's roughly 8 foot wide, and then the L shape is another 3 foot. So
cut it down on this side, I guess.
Yep. Okay, so this sheet was roughly 5.5 foot wide. So what we did is we cut 2 foot off of it. We left 3.5 feet, and we made a L shape for the way our hallway is made. And your hallway may be different, so you'll have to look, get measurements on it, figure out what you got to do. You may have to add another sheet to it. We thought we was going to have to, but the way it worked out, we're only going to have to put a little 6-inch piece at the end. And if you're going to cover over top of your light that's in your hallway, which we're going to, you'll want to make sure you leave about 6 extra inches, because it's going to droop down when it goes over that light fixture. If you don't have a real big one, we've only got like a flat one that's rounded that goes up on the hallway.
So we don't need this.
So you don't need that. What are you thinking? What are you doing?
Get the camera.
All right. So let's see what we're doing. Here ain't no telling with her. What idea have you came up with?
So I have a little Happy 4th of July gnome tree over here in the corner. I love him. He's just super awesome. Get a picture of that. So we did that video.
We did that video with a nutcracker and turned him into a ghost.
Our Christmas nutcrackers. So what I'm going to do is take this extra.
And I guess you're going to turn the little gnome into one too.
And we're going to have a baby ghost. So all I need to do is go get the felt. Put that on.
Put his eyes in his mouth and put a little hat on him.
There you go.
Ain't you so? Aren't you so creative?
Utilize what you got, guys. Utilize what you got. Turn anything into a Halloween spooky fun. All right. So.
All right, we can remove all this off.
Yep. Do I need to scoot this back more to
Yeah.
make this
Yeah,
even?
to make your L, scoot it on back just a little bit. So.
All right, you want to grab the lights? So, I bought these off Amazon, and I'll put my affiliate link down in the bottom in the description.
And if you're going to buy them, please go through her affiliate, because we do get a percentage for selling this,
Yes.
which helps us out with our videos and allows us to keep bringing more crafts to you.
Yeah.
We would appreciate it a lot. It helps out the channel.
And right now they're running a sale. Listen, guys, 100 foot. I got these for $10. So I need to go back on there again, because I ordered them at the beginning of the week, but they may not be now. But
as much stuff as you do, we probably need to order a couple of those.
Yeah. And I do like the govee lights for sure. You just hook them up to your app, and actually this one has a lightning effect. Yeah, super cool. So that's what I was looking forward to.
Okay, so when you're going to do this, you have to keep in mind that you have to go, where am I going to plug these in at in my hallway? So we're going to have to run a little extension cord from our bedroom up the wall a little bit.
Yeah, so we have a plug in like right by the
So
door.
where you start at needs to be where you're going to plug it in at.
Yes.
So ours is bedroom is on this end, so we're going to put this cord on this side when we run it.
Yes. So hang it out a little bit, because I want to be able to touch
And you want to leave the cord part where it's got the switches in case you need to turn it on and off, whatever you need to do. You want to leave that hanging out. And you can probably, once you do, you can kind of tuck it up in the very corner, because we're going to use push pins. Hopefully that'll hold it. If not, we may have to put a few little small nails and find the studs with a stud finder. If I can do that. Because it could be going off while I'm holding it anyways.
Oh my gosh. Here we go. So we're not really going to go in any kind of order. Like I said, this is 100 feet, so we're just going to kind of, what are you thinking?
Well,
outline it, and then in the middle?
You want me to tell you what I do? Yeah, that'd probably be the
Let's
way
do
to
that.
do it.
You want to catch this in,
Yeah,
and I'll start
you just start tucking it wherever you want it.
Well, like I said,
I wouldn't put it too close to the edge though, because of you're gonna have to pin
right
it.
here,
Yeah,
maybe?
I would leave about 3 inches on each side, because you're gonna be pinning and you don't want to accidentally pin the light.
Gotcha.
Just so you guys can see what this looks like, what we did. This is how we ran it. Just made the corners with the, like I said, you don't want to squeeze them tight together because you don't want to bend the wires. You just want to leave a little loop in the ends of it. Perfect. So,
Show it.
I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of hard to see, but there you go. You can see them working. So always check first before you, turn the lights off. You can see it better. There you go. So, but always verify it works, because you don't want to go through the next step if something happened, you bent one too far and it don't work. That way you can pull them back off and start again. And these wires, just so you know, if you buy like a 50 or 25 foot, I think 50 foot would be enough. I think this 100's well overkill, but hell, for $10 you can't beat that. But these wires, you can attach them at the very ends. They have a spot where you can overlap them and they will work. So if you want to buy extra, or if you want to buy, if they go back up and you can catch some smaller ones, you could do that if you had to put them together.
All right, you want to grab the a bag of foam and that spray?
Yeah.
So we just picked up the Gorilla Glue. I couldn't find your other 3M spray, but we'll look for it if we need it. So we bought the Gorilla spray adhesive. I think it's like $10 at Walmart, $10, $12. And I think that bag was like $6. It's the polyfilm we showed. So what we're gonna do is just spray.
It's backwards.
Oh, that's right. Sorry. Well, you've seen it in the picture. So spray the foam and spray the polyfill, stick it. Spray, stick, spray, stick. We'll just repeat that. So I won't make y'all watch all this. We'll fast forward this. All right, guys. So we've almost got all of the cloud on here. So basically all we did, just took your spray adhesive, lightly sprayed it, and then stuck it. Then all I did was...
And then tuck and spread them apart.
Yeah, I went back and just kind of filled it in, fluffed it out a little bit.
All right.
So we did have a mishap.
Yeah, we did have a mishap, and we're going to show you what happened and why.
Learn
so
from our
hopefully
mistakes.
that this keeps you from doing this. So remember, when you cut this, your lights in the cloud are going to go on the bottom side down towards you. So, and you can look and see what it looks like. But when you cut it, you have to flip it over and put the lights and the stuffing on the bottom side, because this would go straight up the way we cut it. Well, you can't, because the lights are like that. We did not flip it over.
So basically all we're going to do, instead of going in an L shape, we're just going through our hallway, which if you're making a straight one, it wouldn't matter. Yeah. But for us, it did.
Yeah, we didn't think about it. We had the L shape on this side here, and the way we was cutting it, it was going straight up. Well, we should have flipped it over and did it instead of doing it the way we done it. So we just took the stuffing back off this side and flipped it under, and we're just going to put a straight one up now instead of having to redo the whole thing.
And it doesn't matter. You're getting ready to see. When you walk into our hallway, we have a what?
Yeah,
2 foot,
maybe 2 to 3 foot little L shape.
It's a hang.
You really don't see it until after you get under it. But
yes. So this will be just fine, and I'm still satisfied with it, and it still.
You want to turn the lights off and let them see what it looks like, and then we'll go to put it up. Oh, that is cool. Look at that.
And again, Govee has settings as a lightning. I can't do it right now because the app's on my phone, but as soon as we get this up on the ceiling and we get our candles hung, I will show you the lightning effect.
Yes. And Govee runs deals, and Jim will put links to the other stuff that we have on this too, because we do string lights outside. We do
house lights,
sidewalk lights. We do the outside. They are a little expensive, but the app is great. It's one of the best ones.
Yep.
We read a lot of reviews before we did it, and it seemed like Govee was one of the better ones. It is a little more expensive, but it's awesome because you can tie them all together though.
All right, guys, let's go hang it up. Oh my gosh, guys. So we finally have the cloud up here, and I'm super excited. Babe, show them.
I'm showing them. They're seeing it.
Look down here. Okay, so
It is cool.
I use the Govee lights. Again, I'll attach them down in the description. But I did use the lightning effect. So it does have the lightning effect. That's what you're seeing right now. And oh my gosh, I ordered the little viral, I don't even know what they are because they're like a Harry Potter wand. And I have installed our floating candles, and I have my own wand. And listen to the letter that I got in it. It's so cool because it's from the Magic School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. It says, "Dear Miss Buckman, we're pleased to inform you that you have been accepted at Magic School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. Please find an enclosed list of all your necessary books and equipment needed. Term begins on September 1st. Oh my gosh, guys, it's almost time. We await, look, I cannot read it because of this flash and lightning, but it says we await your owl by no later than July 31st. Guys, these are the coolest things ever. Watch. Oh, ain't that the neatest?
She's like a kid in the candy store.
Honey, I am. It's the small things in life. And look, this has just made my day. And I love it. Babe, are you getting all of it?
They're seeing it, sweetheart.
Look,
they are
even
seeing
down
it.
here,
They
like,
are seeing it.
It just looks awesome.
They are seeing it. It is cool.
Look.
That turned out nice.
It turned out really super great. So anyway, it did take a lot of blood, sweat, and tears to get this done, but it actually really did not take that long, and learn from our mistakes for what we did when you cut, flip.
Yeah.
Anyhow, let me know what you think. And please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, guys.
Thanks, guys.
Happy hunting.